सो हाय एवरीवन। आज है 20 तारीख एंड मई का महीना। तब फ्राइडे का दिन देखो, मार्केट इज ओपनिंग ऑन अ फ्लैट नोट, flat to little bit of gap down if you say about Nifty, and Bank Nifty is opening gap down only. And also if you look at the Nifty, there is a strong rejection candle from outside the Nifty in 5 minutes candle. So which indicates that there will be buyers accumulating on over side. देखो यहाँ पर साइकोलॉजी क्या बनती है, let me share with you that also quickly. So people though those are buying onto this, right, they will be holding their positions, and to remove them, this is a mandatory candle, right? This is a sufficient candle to remove them. What I am planning is if 60% breakdown happens, sorry, if the breakdown of 60% happens, then we can go for something towards buying side. So these two will be the important points for today. One is this one and this one. So, agar market, if market breaks those 2 points, that means there will be some sort of buyer's removal happened into the market, and the retracement that we wanted is already done. We think we will be thinking that. So, as per that, the premiums are pretty high today because it's Friday session. Let's see. Let me add the premiums. I should add ATM options just to observe, and for the bit OTM options to take a trade. Let's say I am pretty much in a plan of avoiding trade today because the VIX is very low, which is somewhere close to 16 and something. So on this particular VIX, taking a trade is something that I should avoid. Look, there is a call option rejection, which is very clear, and put में भी ऐसा कोई खास momentum नहीं है, right? So let me add the premiums here also. Because already कल के दिन there is sufficient momentum, people will be thinking that let's do something today. We'll be getting something today, but maybe market is in a plan of taking rest today. So let's see how this goes out to be. There is a little bit of buying happening in the call option, but not that much. After there is a momentum in put option. Put options are showing rejection right now. Look in the weekly time frame, the candle is like this, which is red one. इसका मतलब कहीं ना कहीं market if closes as this, that means there will be some sort of confusion will be created on the weekly basis. That's what people, the bade players should be think about. So let's see if any good chance of buying will be having the position. इतना ऊपर नहीं बाय करेंगे आप, नीचे अगर मिलेगा then we'll be trying. Otherwise any retracement if happens then we'll try. ऐसे मोमेंटम में बाय करना is something very dangerous. Look, the 78 will be the stop loss figure यहाँ पर बाय कर सकते हैं. That is not something that we are going to give the market. But yes, the call options are already increased. I thought of this place, but you know, the proper setup which we generally trade is not formed. So that's why I haven't executed on that. Let's see अभी next यहाँ पर क्या setup बनाएगा देखो put में liquidity जब hunt होगी that means whenever the high breaks out happen then there will be some sort of rejection and after that rejection when market will start continuing towards high side then we can plan something. डे हाई अभी ब्रेकआउट हो चुका है ऑप्शंस में एंड पुट ऑप्शंस माइट हैव ब्रोकन द डे लो नहीं अभी ब्रेकडाउन नहीं हुआ है पुट ऑप्शंस में डे लो का पुट ऑप्शंस में डे लो का ब्रेकडाउन नहीं हो रहा है एंड देयर इज फास्ट मोमेंटम हैपनिंग इन द कॉल ऑप्शंस what does that mean? The call options are no doubt giving us FOMO, but let's observe the chart here. Market is taking resistance, taking support exactly from the pivot itself, and this is the 50% area of the entire buying swing. This is the rejection candle, no doubt. But on that particular note, if you are buying, you will be not getting that much of points. So waiting for a rejection is the only thing that we can do. अगर नहीं मिलता ऐसे स्ट्रेट लाइन में चला जाता है then it should go. Man, we don't want rush into our P&L. ऐसा आज नहीं तो कल बन जाएगा बट अगर रश में एंट्री करेंगे तो डेफिनेटली विल बी हर्टिंग आवरसेल्व्स. लेट्स सी अभी डे हाई का ब्रेकआउट होने के बाद अच्छे से वॉल्यूम्स में मिल चुका है. सो यहाँ पर देयर शुड बी अ पर्टिकुलर रिजेक्शन कैंडल which will attract the put buyers. And on that note, we will be going towards call option. There is very less chance that it will continue like this. There will be a small further retracement also. Looking at the candles, we can say that there will be a little bit further downside momentum. low breakdown already happened, so that could be the potential area for entry. But I am expecting a retracement further, which market is not giving right now. So I have to buy right now, and let's manage the position well. First, let me place the stop loss. Definitely on a higher premium, we are getting a higher price. So as per that, the stop loss could be this one, 103, but this becomes very close. Let's see अगर फटने वाला move होगा तो there will be no issue. But as usual, we'll be placing somewhere close to 10 points of stop loss just to be safe. So we have placed the stop loss in the system. Let's see how much the momentum from here it could happen. So option selling में ऐसी इतना ही P&L के लिए we have waited so much. But in option buying that is not the case. It is a pure game of risk reward. 123, 124, there is a high. Does this entry is homophobic? I don't think so because we have waited for a retracement and on that particular note we have executed the trade. But we will be getting to know once there is something. There is a point of there is a point that if this continues because it has taken support from the pivot itself. If this continues in a straight line, then that will be the case of if there is a chance of getting wrong here. When we can get wrong because it has done the breakout of particular major areas. This is the major line which it has done breakout. After that, showing rejection from downside. The rejection is slightly from the downside only, which indicates that it is attracting the buyers over this. But most probably we will be not getting hurted if the continuation of this candle happens. Means if any candle closes above this high, then it will be very good for us. There is a particular 700 area which market has taken resistance. 81,700 is the resistance point of the market right now. Let me look at the Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty has also shown a rejection candle from downside. यहाँ पर अगर एम पैटर्न पे प्रॉब्लम दिखाता भी है, let's see, we have to manage it. We have to manage it. This candle has sufficient volume, so it should continue. It should reverse. It should not continue towards downside because M pattern is what market has shown on the spot. So I'm expecting this should continue. No doubt it's showing signs of continuation, but if that does not happen fast, right? then it will be not most probably continuing. It will be traffic. Probably, I think we have saved ourselves. Let's see how this could turn out to be. Look, the confidence I am getting to hold this is because of Sensex, which is taking resistance from 700, 81, 700. So if the breakout happens, it could particularly come till day high. So day high से just before यहाँ पे 880 के आसपास we will be trying to book, ठीक है? No matter what will be the premium at that point. Or else we could wait for the risk to reward also. But क्योंकि ये थोड़ा सा राइट हमारे वाला प्रीमियम नहीं है, अगर नीचे से पकड़ा होता then it will be very fine. But we have not. मतलब बहुत ऊपर से हमने ट्रेड पकड़ा है. So any sort of retracement will hurt us pretty more than expected. So let's see we'll be managing it properly. There could be a trendy one-sided move today. For that, it needs to break the previous day high first, showing again resistance. There could be a buyer's invitation occur here. If if this low breaks, then it will be probably the stop loss, and we'll be happily exiting from that trade. I think we have got the stop loss. What happened, man? Yes, we have got the stop loss. So two times it has removed the buyers. Once here and second time here. I have got a thought of buying at this point, but one thing that is coming into mind pretty clear is अगर मैं यहाँ पर बाय करता हूँ तो सारे रिटेलर्स क्या मतलब मन के बह रहे हैं कि वो यहाँ पर नहीं बाय कर सकते दे विल बी डेफिनेटली बाइंग हियर तो यहाँ पर फिर कंटिन्यूएशन होना इज समथिंग दैट इज नॉट एक्सपेक्टेड डेफिनेटली अगर हम लोग यहाँ पर पकड़ लिए होते which is on this area on the closing of first 5 minute candle then it will be great trade but now it has not that much trade so we'll be not placing any kind of orders today also let the market go wherever it wants. We have under our risk management, but we will be booking the whatever we have got. ठीक है sir. So let's see how this turns out to be. I will be updating you. This is what I'm saying here also, right? This couldn't sustain as a hammer at this point. And if sustains also, there is a less probability that it could continue to do a straight upside momentum like this because this is an obvious 50% area, which definitely people will start buying. At least this should be the target of the sellers. Means I have a target of this also. This is what the expectations look like. And if you look, the amount of move pending here is 25 points, on which we'll be getting somewhere close to 8 points if the breakdown happens. But we should be worried about the current also. The only thing that I can think about here right now is trust the price. That what price is saying me right now on 15 minutes is pretty clear that it will gonna sustain. The only thing is the 800 breakdown already happened, and also Bank Nifty has shown some sort of positiveness over this. But Bank Nifty looks like it if this candle sustains also. If this candle does not blast, then definitely there will be buyers accumulation happening over this. And on that note, market will definitely fall further also. And also in the call option, the low has not yet been taken out. It is very less likely that it will do a straight line momentum like this because it will turn out to be a pattern and that is recognizable by everyone. So the rejections are not pretty good in the put option. Let's see on the next 50 seconds, we will be getting to know what could happen because on the basis of this 15-minute candle closing, we will be concluding that what could probably happen. If this does not sustain here, then we will be facing no doubt trouble. Let me change it to 103 because it is facing a lot of trouble around that area only to cross it. So I have modified this because it could turn out to be dangerous because this is a volume bullish candle in the put option. And there could be a one rejection which could harm us. So we have got the price successfully and we have okay. So this is what the problem is, right? We have got the price of somewhere close to okay this. Fair enough, not an issue. But 113 was my previous target and this is what we expected also, but no worries. Look at the rejection that market has given. This is because of the OPM option. So no worries. Let's see how this turns out to be. So this is where the premium is right now. And look, particularly on this but closing, I am fearful because this candle has a good volumes in it. So only fear was that if people will start buying there, then it will be problematic for us. And right now it is going like hell. Let it go. I think this could be the probable target, most probable target. which is 121. But one thing that is a little bit worryful here is Nifty has already broken the major 50% area, and it's showing like it will go to this first. Should not be limiting this price, but due to some sort of distractions, I was not able to decide properly what should be done in this position. So probably this could turn out to be good because no one would have thought of this kind of negativity around this market after yesterday's short covering move. So what my thinking goes like कि अगर market is showing negativity, so this low should be taken off because there only market can change the psychology of people from buying to selling. Let's see how it turns out to be. There should not be FOMO inside me. I totally agree with this. Let's see how this turns out to be. So basically here right now it is continuing and we have got the targets of particular this point which we planned also. But right now the premium has not broken the high, although the spot has broken the low. We could have probably got 20 more points here, but because of some few reasons, my brain does not work in that manner so that we could probably think of stretching the profits. So no issues. This one was the initial target, and we could have probably think of 123 also, but nonetheless we have got somewhere close to good returns only. So let's see how this turns out to be in further market. So basically, what is happening right now is market being totally sideways here, and it is giving profit to the option sellers only right now. And this is what the market today's look like. If you are getting any kind of value from this video, just make sure that you are subscribing to the channel and hit the bell icon if you are getting knowledge from it, right? So basically, just support me as much as possible. देखो मार्केट में ये जो रेंज क्रिएट हुआ है आई हैव क्रिएटेड सम ड्राफ्ट पोर्टफोलियोज इन सेंसिबल. I'll be showing this to you. First, let me share with you what my overview is. Market will not cross this level as of now and not cross this level as of now. So इन दोनों के बीच में I have created one iron condor and that looks like I am showing you just a minute. So this is the iron condor that I have made here. Look what I have done. I have sold 24,000 P and 400 points away just for the hedge purpose. And in this particular thing, 500 purchase है 500 के ऊपर and for a hedge purpose, OTM call option. So this is the payoff graph looks like, and the probability of profit is into our favor only, which is 86%. No doubt the money is less, but it will be much easier for the market to do this instead of uh, buying a plain call option, hoping for market to go high. So this is what the position of draft portfolio looks like. I will be doing this in the real market also. And the fund utilized here is 1.5 lakh, which is definitely not in my account right now, so that I could execute this. But I'll be doing this in the upcoming days. So just make sure that you will be learning how to do option selling live through this video because no one in the YouTube is showing that live option selling. I'll be showing that to you. I'll be being honest and being transparently. I'll be showing everything to you just to make sure that yes, money can be made here. Just you need to be disciplined and focused towards this, right? So make sure you are subscribing to this channel. Thank you for watching.